Hello everyone, this is Songashim Rungsung, winner of Rubaru Mr. India United Continents. I'm from Ukhrul, and there are a lot of news going around that in Ukhrul there is an increase in substance abuse, youth with substance abuse. And yes, I would like to tell a little bit to suggest a little bit to the youngsters nowadays that it is very difficult for you to quit this particular addiction. But I would suggest you that living in a positive way, I think that will be more better for you in your future. And a lot of people are taking a lot of initiative in fitness, and why don't we all try to go for fitness or whatever hobbies you are, try to set hobbies for yourself and spend the time doing your own hobbies. I think that will be a good thing for you. And I would tell a little bit about my family. My two brothers died because of alcoholism, and one died because of substance abuse. And it is very sad to see my parents crying every night, every day because of this. So why don't you make your parents happy? Why don't you make your brothers and sisters, why don't you make your neighbors happy by living a very good life, by living a life which set an example for the youngsters. So I would suggest you all to please stay positive, stay strong wherever you are, whatever you do. And I would also thank our Honorable Chief Minister for taking the initiative on this particular topic, war on drugs, and I would really love to work together with him even in the future. So yeah, thank you so much.